Oh, Starlight. You have to do better ones. Starlight. Let's go, boy. Sorry. Come on, Starlight. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Sorry. Let's go there. That's a good boy. That's it. Let's go back to your home. No, Paul.
There we go.
What are we going to do when we're just in here? I'm a good jumper. Are you a good jumper? No. I'm a barrel racer. You're not even a jumper. Huh. You don't even have a wife if you don't jump. Now, dude, you just don't know how to jump. It doesn't matter. I know how to barrel race. You do? Yeah, I do. I like this, but I don't know why I did this. Did this. But the kids are, the ones that have the jumpings, the kids are over there. But I have a kid. Do you want to meet him? Sure, I will. I want to meet your kid. Do you want to meet my kid? Sure. Let's go all the way. Daddy. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. It's going to be a hot summer. Mom, it's going to be a hot summer, so you gotta go. Okay. Mom, it's going to be cool. Mom, I just want to make it here. Please, please. We'll get over to you. Yeah. He's ready. Okay. Stop. Wait, Daddy. Okay, wait. I'm not ready. Pause it. Wait, I am. Play. I want to see my movie, Daddy.
Wait a minute.